Good evening. This is Manoj, your German trainer. In this session, I am going to take you to some possessive pronouns. So, in my previous session, we have covered articles, we have covered basic understanding of nominative, accusative, and dative. We have also covered the understanding of adjectives and their endings. In this session, we are going to talk about possessive pronouns and personal pronouns, of course, a quick revision of personal pronouns. So, let's start. So we have nominative, accusative, and dative personal pronouns. So what are our nominative pronouns? A quick revision: ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie, sie. My accusative and dative pronouns: mich, mir, dich, dir, ihn, ihm, sie, ihr, es, ihm, uns, euch, sie, ihnen, sie, ihnen. What are my possessive pronouns? So it is ich, mein, du, dein, sein, ihr, sein, unser, euer, ihr, ihr. अब इनको यूज कैसे करते हैं? Please make sure whenever we are using possessive pronouns, we are going to follow indefinite articles. So if my article is ein, it is going to be mine, meine, and mine. This is how we use. So for example, in nominative, in unbestimmt, indefinite articles are ein, eine, and ein. So my possessive pronouns are going to be mine, meine, mine. So similarly, dein, deine, dein, sein, seine, sein, ihr, ihre, ihr, sein, seine, sein, unser, unsere, unser, euer, eure, euer, ihr, ihre, ihr, ihr, ihre, ihr. Okay. In accusative, my indefinite article is einen. So it is going to be meinen, deinen, seinen, ihren, and so on. All right. So let's do it. Meinen, deinen, seinen, ihren, seinen, unseren, euren, ihren, ihren. Okay. Now rest my nominative and accusative, my indefinite article remains same. In dative, what are my indefinite articles? So it is einem, hence it is going to be meinem, meiner, meinum. Deinem, deiner, deinem. Seinem, seiner, seinem. Ihrem, ihrer, ihrem. Seinem, seiner, seinem. Unserem, unserer, unserem. Eurem, eurer, eurem. Ihrem, ihrer, ihrem. Okay. Ihrem, ihrer, ihrem. All right. Now how to use it? So I have 4 examples for you. First example says, I am giving her book to my brother. In this sentence, first we need to identify what is my nominative component, what is my dative component, what is my accusative component. So I see who is giving the book? Ich. Then the verb, ich gebe. What am I giving? The book to whom? To my brother. Dative stays first. Ich gebe meinem Bruder her book, ihr Buch. Why ihr Buch? Because ihr book is das book. Accusative das. Neutral part में हम क्या लगाते हैं? We use her book. Okay. She is learning from my notebook. Sie lernt, dative part, von meinem Heft. All right. Next, my father is talking to my mother. Mein Vater spricht mit meiner Mutter. Mein Vater spricht mit meiner Mutter. Their parents are visiting our parents. Ihre Eltern besuchen unsere Eltern. Because it is besuchen is accusative verb, visiting our parents. Okay, it's this is how we use possessive pronoun. All right. For more details, you can write me at insightfulgerman@gmail.com. So thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel insightfulgerman.com and stay tuned for more interesting videos.